Oh, man, I'm telling you, we're saving the best for the last. It's coming up. Two of my favorites, of course, Mary here, and then followed by Lori here in a few minutes. But how's life?
Everything's great, thank you.
New CD out.
New CD out, released 2 weeks ago, so everything's going well.
Yeah, had your big CD release party? And,
yes, had the CD release party on the 10th, and it was awesome. It was a great show, and lots of people showed up, so it was good.
Yeah, now people can get this new CD by going...
Yes, go to my website, which is maryscholz.com, SCHOLZ.
And it's that easy.
It's that easy. I mean, you can get it on iTunes and various places, but if you go to the website, you can either buy the hard copy or it'll direct you to all those different download sites.
I always talk about your guitar too. I got to say, I just love that thing. It's absolutely, yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. You could sell those for those people. I'm telling you. So, but you're going to do something. This is not ordinary. Because you teach voice lessons. I didn't realize that. Yeah, yeah. So if I wanted voice lessons, I could contact you too, and maybe say, get some more people coming, But I don't think it's going to be too long, this new CD out, that you're going to be, will you come back and do the show when you're up there as a big star that you're going to be and everything? What are you going to do for us this year?
I'm going to do Hark the Herald Angels Sing.
And I heard her warming up. If you want to hear an angel sing, you don't want to go anywhere. Put your hands together for Mary Scholz.
Thank you.
To the newborn King, peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled, joyful